It's never too late to start your Christmas decorating crafting. What's especially cool about this craft is it involves using recycled materials. You need yarn, a Pom Pom maker, scissors, plastic water bottle lids, acrylic paint, and a paintbrush. If you don't have a Pom Pom maker, you can use a fork or your fingers. Just wrap the yarn around 2 fingers about 50 times, depending on how fluffy you want your Pom Pom to be. Use a piece of long yarn to tie around the middle, knot twice, and cut the sides. Shape the Pom Pom with a pair of sharp scissors. Make sure not to cut the long string. Paint the plastic lids with acrylic paint and let them dry. Make a hole in the center of the lid and thread the string from the Pom Pom through the hole. I would suggest wrapping the yarn around the toothpick and adding a little tape to get it through the hole. Or if you have a large eye needle, you can use it to insert the yarn. Tie the string to form a loop and the Christmas ornament is ready to hang on your tree. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.